Guys, what's up? So today we are going to be trying the Imethod Beauty Perfect Wing in Seconds Eyeliner Stamp and Eyeliner. This product is waterproof, smudge-proof, long-lasting. This is the perfect product for if you struggle with getting those even wings or if you just struggle with eyeliner in general. I totally wish that there was a product like this on the market when I first started wearing eyeliner back in high school, because this would have made my life so much easier. So much easier. But yeah, you guys, be sure to go follow Imethod Beauty on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest. They have it all. And if you would like to see how I got these perfect wings in seconds using the Imethod Beauty eyeliner stamp and pen, then just stay tuned.
Party all night, feel of the song. Drinking all night long. Shake a leg with rum in my hand. Everybody feel nice, we party as one. Party all night, feel of the song. Drinking all night long. Shake a leg with rum in my hand. Everybody feel nice, we party as one. Freaky. Freaky. So freaky. Freaky. We're gonna keep it freaky. We're feeling freaky. We're gonna keep it freaky. We're feeling freaky. We're gonna get freaky.
So yeah, you guys, that is it. Big thank you to Imethod Beauty for sending me this product to try. I absolutely love it. And thank you guys for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.